Okay, so I'm going to show you how to make sorpresine, which means little surprises. And they were originally devised in Bologna, which has as its signature dish a tortellino, which is a tiny, tiny little dumpling filled with various meats. Now, the little surprises were created for when people didn't have any money and they didn't have any filling for their tortellini, because tortellini were originally eaten only on feast days, so Christmas and Easter. So this is how we're going to make a little surprise. So I'm going to put the little points up in the middle. The squares are the ones that are usually 2 fingers wide. So put them in the middle. Push up in the middle with your thumb and close here, and you've got like a little surprise. So they look a little bit like tortellini, but they're not, because they've got no filling. But they're great because they scoop up sauces. So can you see? I tend to make my dough for these shapes just a little bit thicker so it doesn't flop. So, point to point. Okay. Use your thumb to give a little push in the middle and bring the other 2 points down. Okay, and these are great again for kids. You can serve them with all sorts of pasta sauces, be they vegetable or meat or fish. So point to point, so you've got like a little boat, and then push up with your thumb. Oh, that's a bit dry. Push up with your thumb and bring the points down in the middle. This one is a little bit, this dough's been sitting here. There we are. Okay, and there you have your sorpresine. Like I said, you can serve them with anything. But the great thing is that, you know, the minute kind of pasta has holes or places where sauce can go, it's just much more fun. There you go. So, point to point, you can see that? Put the thumb in and bring the points together. And again, point to point, press it in, put your thumb, and bring your thumb together. And then you've got sorpresine. And again, you can do these with children as well. You know, they can learn. But, you know, making pasta is nurturing, it's healing, you're feeding people, you're doing something creative and you're still nurturing and feeding the people you love. And if you're by yourself, then love yourself, right? Make pasta for you. Nurture and love yourself. There you go, sorpresine. And thanks for watching. And if you've got any questions, just write me a note.